In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pictory AI on mobile, how to generate AI videos directly from your smartphone, and also explain the current limitations you need to know before getting started. If you're someone who wants to create AI videos on the go without a laptop, this video will save you a lot of time and frustration. Before we begin, there's one important thing to mention. If you'd like to follow along or try Pictory for yourself, you can use the link in the description to access it for free. You can open it directly from your mobile browser and sign in using your Google account. Now, once you sign in on your mobile device, you may see a message that says Continue on Desktop. This is a common issue, but it's very easy to fix. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome as your browser. If you're already using Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the browser options. From there, enable Desktop Site by tapping on it. Once you do that, wait a few seconds for the page to reload, and that problem will be solved. After that, you'll be taken to the Pictory dashboard. At this point, it looks like you have full access and can start creating AI videos from your phone. However, there's another important issue you need to be aware of if you're using Pictory AI on a mobile device. To show you this, I'm going to try creating a video. I'll go ahead and paste a link to a script or article and attempt to convert it into a video. I'll tap on Proceed, wait a few seconds, and let Pictory extract the article and generate a summarized script. As you can see, this part works just fine. Now here's where the problem comes in. After the script is generated, we're supposed to choose a format, select a theme, and tap on Generate Video. Unfortunately, on mobile devices, these options are either not accessible or not clickable. From my experience using an Android device and other mobile devices, I haven't been able to move past this stage. As you can see, when I try tapping on a template or format, it doesn't bring up the additional options needed to proceed to the final stages of video creation. No matter what I do, I can't access the Generate Video button or move forward into the editor. This seems to be a mobile limitation, rather than a user error. So even though you can technically access Pictory AI on mobile by enabling desktop mode, you currently cannot complete the full text-to-video process on a smartphone. Because of this, if your goal is to reliably convert text into AI videos without interruptions, I strongly recommend using a laptop or PC for now. That said, mobile access is still useful for previewing scripts, checking dashboards, or making small edits. But for full video production, desktop is the best option at the moment. If you want to try Pictory AI for yourself, or follow along with this tutorial, you can use the link in the description to access it.